Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to book special assistance on Ryanair. So before I proceed, it's important to understand what special assistance services Ryanair offers. So assistance through, so these are the types of assistance available. Number one, assistance through the airport to the boarding gate. And then we have assistance through the airport and up and down the craft steps. We have assistance through the airport and lift on or off to or from the aircraft seat. We have assistance for blind or vision impaired passengers. We have assistance for passengers traveling with a guide or assistance dog. We have assistance for passengers with cognitive or non-visible disabilities. We have assistance for profoundly deaf passengers. We have assistance for in-flight therapeutic oxygen. Must be pre-booked and paid for at least 7 days prior to travel. It's recommended to request these services when booking your flight. So you can pre-book them on the Ryanair website up to 48 hours before the scheduled flight departure time, and after this time and up to 12 hours prior to scheduled flight departure, passengers should contact Ryanair Special Assistance Team, which is subject to opening hours. And if you do not provide for 8 hours notice, the required assistance may not be available and your travel plans may be disrupted. So let's walk you through the steps to book special assistance while reserving your flight. Now navigate to www.ryanair.com, then enter departure and arrival airport. I'm going to choose this, but so let's say this is me. Did something in my search, so I'm going to reduce this to 1 and select. So choose your preferred flight from the list of options and choose your preferred flight fare. Now fill in the required information for each passenger. So let's say this is me, passenger 1. I actually edited this to 2, so it didn't reflect because I didn't click on search again. All right, so I'm going to reduce this and I'm going to click on done to make it that, and I'm going to click on search again so it reflects. But of course you have multiple passengers, it's also still the same process. I just don't want to go through this again. So I'm selecting the seats for myself and I'm selecting plus. So here is the most important part. This is where you can now request special assistance. So fill in the name. This is just where I'm going to stop in this tutorial. So this is my name and this is my name. So go ahead and click on need special assistance. So toggle that need special assistance. Now it says airport special assistance service can be booked online, is too near to your flight departure date. So to reserve assistance, please call our special assistant line. For phone number details, please click on contact us section of our website and then go ahead and click on OK. So how do you contact them? Scroll the way down and click on contact us and reach out to them. So once you're done with that, you can come over here again and click on need special assistance, toggle it off and select the type of assistance required from the drop down menu and proceed with seat selection, baggage options and payment to finalize your booking. So if you've already booked your flight and need to add special assistance, these are the steps you need to take. Just go ahead and click on my bookings from the top right corner of your screen, and that's going to take you to a window where you have a list of all your bookings, past and upcoming bookings. So find the flight you wish to add assistance to and click on manage this booking right next to the flight. Then select the request special assistance option, choose the passenger or passengers that require special assistance, confirm the type of special assistance required for both outbound and return flight. If different assistance is needed for the return flight, toggle on the option to specify. Click save to update your booking. Then you receive an updated email itinerary with special assistance details added. So that's how it works. Now you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.